started working here at Lonestar Forklift in 2009, mainly for the impact that Donnie McSwain had on me in one single interview. He was building something. I could be a part of something. That's kind of the culture I was looking for, and couldn't have been more right. My goal was to go out and get as much business as I could, grinding from sun up to sundown, knocking on doors, trying to get the trust of this little place on 45 that would eventually be something big. We pretty quickly scaled from a small operation to over 200 employees.
Shane Lagarce told me all the good things about Lonestar Forklift. I bought in, been here for 8 years, haven't looked back. Instead of being behind a desk doing spreadsheets and emails, I get to go out in the field, meet new people, see different industries, be more face-to-face, and have a lot more flexibility for me and my family.
We demand a lot of our employees. At the same time, they're rewarded for that hard work. You'll get out of it what you put into it.
The support under the Lonestar name is unbelievable. There's lots of growth opportunities, good people to work with.
Everybody helps each other out here. There's always a different challenge every day. If one can't figure it out, somebody else can. We don't like to leave nobody behind.
Lonestar Forklift represents many different types of equipment and gear.
We've been the #1 Hyundai dealer in North America for 16 of these last 23 years. We take great pride in that.
We grab brands that we have vetted, that we know are reliable, have the warranty, have the service, the parts to back it up. In the beginning, we only pushed 1 or 2 brands. Right now, we're at 22 different brands. We can be a one-stop shop and help you in pretty much every aspect.
We have a full parts team, a full sales team. We have the service department, whether they're in the shop or the field.
For new customers, a lot of them don't have any clue how their setup's going to be. We figure out exactly what the customer needs, the application. We want that facility to be up and running without having any issues. We also have service mechanics that can handle anything outside of a planned maintenance.
It's very important for us to get the job done if we can that same day, getting their units back up and running. The most rewarding part of the job is customer satisfaction.
The most rewarding part of my job is the leadership side. Lonestar has developed a recruiting program with all the major universities in the state of Texas. We're also partnering with trade schools around the state to promote the profession of forklift mechanics.
The growth of the material handling industry and Lonestar, the sky's the limit. With electrics and lithium phosphates coming on, now people are talking about hydrogen. All these alternative fuel systems are going to bring about so many different and new opportunities that have been untouched. There's a lot of growth and a lot of potential coming our way.